Hello everybody. We are going to talk about a very interesting concept in the field of management system certification, which is gaining more and more popularity in last few years. The concept is integrated management system, IMS. What does that mean? I am sure many of you would have experienced this particular scenario. Initially, typically any organization, when they decide to go for a standardization drive, they start with ISO 9001 quality management system. Going further, they decide to go for environment or health safety management system. Depending on kind of business you are into, the organization might go for food safety ISO 22000 or ISO 17025 or social accountability or ISO 13485 or any other management system. What ultimately happens when you have a multiple management systems implemented in the organization? Every alternate month you will receive an email from the certification body saying that your yearly audit for ISO 9001 is due. After a few months, you receive an email your yearly audit for ISO 14001 or ISO 18001 or ISO 22000 is due. You will have separate people managing different standards, different manuals. Internally, you will be doing regular internal audits for each of the standards specifically. You have separate document control processes for different standards. What all does it result into? It might result into big chaos. It might demotivate your people. It might create a negative environment in the organization with respect to compliance to any other management system. Why? Because the efforts, resources and time required, obviously money not to forget, is increased. Why? Because for the similar kind of requirements, you have multiple standards, multiple compliances, repetition of work in the organization. In order to make sure that your organization gets the best out of multiple management systems, we always suggest our clients to integrate all different standards into a unified standard and have a concept called integrated management system implemented in the organization. So what all can be integrated? You can virtually integrate any standard. You can integrate quality with environment or health safety. You can integrate quality with environment, health safety and food safety. You can just integrate quality and information security. You can integrate quality, environment, health safety and social accountability, or virtually any combinations or permutations. What are the benefits? Biggest benefit is your management system is now leaner, is more result oriented, easy to manage, you need less resources, is more effective. And another biggest benefit is there are so many common requirements in different ISO standards. To give an example, you take practically any ISO standard, the management system standard. They will have requirements for objectives, targets, achievement plannings, policies, manuals, document control, record control, internal audit, non-compliance management, non-conformity management, corrective actions, preventive actions, management review meetings, calibration management in some of the standards. So all these requirements being present into each of the ISO standard, why not unify them? Why not have a single document control system that applies to a quality standard, to environment standard, health safety standard, food safety standard, information security standard or any other standard? Similarly, why not have a single manual that covers all the standard? Why to have 6 different manuals? Managing 6 different manuals can be a big process in itself. Why not to have a single internal audit that audits everything? And an icing on cake, Why not have a single certification audit wherein you get audited for all the standards that you have integrated? So you save resources, you save time, and you save money. Moreover, your people will be more relaxed because their workload has been reduced. The system has become more lean, easy to manage, and simple. So if you are looking at implementing multiple standards, or you have already implemented multiple standards, come to us. We'll show you and guide you how you can make them simple and you can get the best out of the management system certification. Being one of the largest ISO consulting and process management consulting organization in Middle East, we have worked with more than 4,000 clients globally, with around 800 clients in UAE. We welcome you to visit our website www.uaeiso.com, or we welcome you to visit our office, or you can send us an email at info@uaeiso.com. You will receive a reply within 4 working hours, and we look forward to partner your organization for your successful and effective implementation with respect to integrated management system. Thank you very much.